fresh air, free at last. Did you want one? I see. I usually don't smoke. Just a social smoker, if you will. That's true. You aren't smoking. Fair point. That's fair enough. Maybe I am addicted to them, after all. You know what? That is a good point. I do have the urge to pull out a cigarette every time I get lost, or a little bit nervous, or a little bit anxious. You see, I'm actually supposed to meet my friends. We came here to the club together at the XS Club, and now I have no idea. What am I gonna do at night? Who am I gonna be with? We'll see. So, what are you doing here, Paula, by yourself? Oh, you came with friends too? I see. How about we help each other look for said friends? Maybe one of us is lying. Here, if you see a bunch of young adults just wandering around and looking like they don't belong in a white t-shirt and black jeans, that's probably my friends. Oh, really? Here, let's go take a look. Alright, so let's check my pockets. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Okay, so we have a lighter, some gum. Gotta stay fresh and sexy. We got some cigarettes. Oh, you weren't supposed to see that one. No. In my defense, you never know when you're gonna get lucky, and you also never know what other people have, so you gotta stay safe. Here's the thing. That was supposed to be inside my wallet, and my wallet is nowhere to be found. And I'm supposed to have it. So maybe someone grabbed it at the club, swiped it away from me. I mean, there was a lot of grabbing at the club, if you know what I'm saying. Yes, here we go. Okay, so it turns out one of my buddies has my wallet. And that's good and bad because I know I spend a lot of money on drinks. So it's good that I don't have it to spend. On the other hand, you won't believe this, he might do the spending. Maybe he wasn't the best friend to give. Anyways. Well, what I'm trying to say is, either way, I may have purposely given my wallet to my friend, and that's why I need it back. That way he could safekeep my money and not let me use it on my very, very addictive habits, just like drinking and treating pretty girls like you out to a drink. I'm just trying to say, I'm a very classy, noble, handsome, good-looking guy. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club? Okay? And we find my friends and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Oh, really? Amazing. Here, follow me. Follow me very quick. Yes, we're gonna go through the VIP entrance. I know it's a little fancier than you'd expect, but that's what they have at this top tier club. As for the drink, go ahead, order anything you want. Okay, great. Now that you have your order in, come on, follow me up the stairs and to the left. Welcome to my favorite booth in the club. Next door you can hear all my friends partying, right? They don't have to know that I'm here with you. Oh yes, we get to watch everyone dance on the floor below. And if you want some more quiet time, the shades close and we can close the curtains. And it's a lot quieter. Now that we finally have our little alcove together, you wouldn't think I didn't notice? When we were out on the streets, I saw you eyeing me down. You had those eyes that really wanted me, that wanted us to be together and have a very intimate rest of the night together. So, how about this? For the rest of the night, you just follow what I say. No need to think, no need to ask. Just close your eyes and enjoy the moment. I know I'm a very big guy. You know what they say about people with deep voices and big feet and big hands, right? If it's big in many places, chances are we're even bigger where it matters the most. Oh yeah. Baby, I want to divulge to you that I was waiting for this for so long. And it feels way, way better than I imagined. You make me feel like $1,000,000. And I just don't think I'll ever be this happy again. You're the nicest, most gorgeous girl I've ever been with. And, oh my God. Oh my God. I just never want to lose you. I love the smell of your hair. It's so nice and soft and silky and everything I wished it to be. I never thought that the real deal was even better than what I had thought previously. You're just so goddamn hot. Can't resist it. Alright, that was good, wasn't it? All's good under the hood, huh? The Rizzler did the Riz. Maybe something else that rhymes with Riz. Anyways, getting back to the real stuff, I need you to like and subscribe this video. Like and subscribe to this video because, I would like to, well, it helps me know which videos to make more of. So, you are participating in the future of my channel. Go outside, drink water, be happy, enjoy life. It's very fleeting. Respond to me in the comments. I am lonely. Yeah. Like and subscribe.